At the end of this lesson, I'd expect you to first identify the prime numbers, determine the prime numbers as a factors of a given numbers, and apply the prime factorization method in finding the prime factors of a number. But before going further, let us try to recall the prime in the composite numbers. What prime numbers have a sum of 8? And the correct answer is letter B, 3 and 5. How about this one? What is the prime number before 19? You got it right. The correct answer is 17. What are the prime numbers between 20 and 30? Good job! The correct answer is 23 and 29. Factor 3 is a method to find the prime factors of a number. Meaning, you can use the factor 3 in finding prime factors of a number. For instance, what are the prime factors of 20? We can factor 20 by 2 times 10. 2 is a prime number already. 10 is a composite number, so let's factor 10. 10 can be factored by 2 and 5. 2 and 5 are prime numbers. Let us all multiply all the prime numbers. 2 times 2 times 5. Hence, 2 and 5 are prime factors of 20. Let's have another example. Find the prime factors of 6. We can factor 6 by 2 and 3. But we all know that the factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. And among these factors, only 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Meaning, 2 and 3 are prime factors of 6. Let's try another one. Find the prime factors of 12. To factor out a certain number, I would like to suggest to start with the smallest prime number. In this example, 12 can be factored by a smallest prime number, which is 2. To be exact, 12 can be factored 2 and 6. Bring down 2 since it is a prime. Then, factored 6 by a prime number, which is 2 and 3. Let's bear in our mind that the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Among these factors, 2 and 3 are only prime. Thus, 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 12. Take note, even 2 appears 2 times in a prime factor, still we count them as one unit. Let's have another example. Let's find the prime factor of 15. As I said earlier, that to find the prime factor of a number, let's start with the smallest prime number. In this case, 15 can be factored as smallest prime number of 3. To be exact, 15 can be factored by 3 and 5. Again, the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. But only 3 and 5 are prime. Thus, 3 and 5 are prime factors of 15. Prime factorization is a method to express a composite number as a product of its prime factors. Let's find the product of prime factors of 30. Let's start with the smallest prime number, which is 2. 30 can be factored by 2 and 15. 2 is already prime number, so bring down 2. Let's factor 15 by 3 and 5. As you notice, 2, 3, and 5 are all prime numbers now. Thus, 2 times 3 times 5 are the prime product of 30. If you want to check if we multiply 2 by 3 is equal to 6, multiply 6 by 5 is equal to 30, meaning you're doing a great job. Let us try this one. Let's factor 28. Start with the smallest prime number, which is 2. 28 can be factored by 2 and 14. 2 is already prime number, so bring down 2. Now, let's factor 14 by 2 and 7. As you notice, 2 and 7 are prime factors of 28. Hence, 28 is equal to 2 times 2 times 7. Let us check if our answer is correct. Let us multiply 2 by 2 and it is 4. Now, let's multiply 4 by 7 and the product is 28. And our answer is correct. To make you understand more, let's work on this one. Let's factor 50. I would like to advise to start with the smallest prime number, which is 2. 50 can be factored by 2 and 25. 2 is already prime number, so let's bring down 2. Let's factor 25. 25 can be factored by 5 and 5. As you notice, they're all prime number now. 2 and 5 are the prime factors of 50. Thus, 50 is equal to 2 times 5 times 5. Let's check again. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 5 is equal to 50. Again, our answer is correct. Now, it's your turn. Illustrate using factor 3, then write the number as a product of its prime factors. I'll give you 5 minutes to work on this. And your 5 minutes starts now. And here is the answer. Great job! You're doing great! And for your assignment, copy and answer this one.